dill eggs. First, I beat up some eggs. And then make sure that you do compost, right? So this is really good organic eggs. We need one more. Excellent. And then the whole key to make the eggs really kind of tender is, guess what? You put several drops of water in it. And then I put just a touch of salt and beat up. Like this is perfect, not too much, okay? I first put about 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil in. Wait until it warms up. This is about a 1/4 pound of fresh dill. And you stir fry that for a minute or so first. And you put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then you just kind of keep doing it for another ½ minute. And then you put just a touch of the herbs. Now, you make it, just cover the pan a little bit, and then you dump your eggs in. Just kind of see if it's done or not. This is not yet. Then we wait a little bit more. And then you want to wait the eggs is kind of cooked a little through before you break the eggs. Give another ½ minute or so. See, now it's getting a little bit more ready. For another 30 seconds. Now, just break it and stir fry it. Really good. I'll just put a little bit more herbs in it. Excellent. It's done.